Good morning, everyone. This is workbook Environmental Studies Looking Around, class 3. And today we are going to learn question answers about chapter 6 to 10. Here is 6 foods we eat. So, one of these, select the best option. 1. Chutki in Vipul's family is not able to eat. D. All of these. Bhutta, चपाती एंड दाल. आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ दिस. ये सब चुटकी नहीं खा सकती. छुटकी. 2. When Vipul's दादी was the same age as Vipul is now, she could see run quickly up a hill. 3. Our food is usually made out of those things that are B. easily grown there. 4. In Goa, Juni ate fish cooked in a coconut oil. Answer is coconut oil. 5. Besides dosa, blank is made from rice. C. Pulao. 2. True false. 1. In Hong Kong, snacks which can be eaten are called ling hu fan. True. 2. Thomas eats tapioca which grows on the tall trees. False. 3. Vipul's dadi says that after coming to Nagpur, Vipul's mother has forgotten how to make food in their own way. True. 4. Chutki was being fed milk by Vipul's mommy. True. Fill in the blanks. 1. Lee Chen lives in Hong Kong. 2. At home, Juni eats fish cooked in mustard oil. 3. Thomas eats curry made using coconut. 4. Chapatis can be made out of wheat or gram. 5. Chutki started crying because she was hungry. Hungry means bhukhi. 4. Match, dosa, made from rice. Dal, we eat chapati soaked in this. Bhutta, eaten by Vipul. Milk, Chutki's food. So, here is picture question. You can see picture 1, this is jalebi. Picture 2, these are samosa. 3, burger. 4. Momo. 5. Kheer. 6. Watermelon. 7. Idli. 8. Omelette. Now 7 number. Select the best option. 1. Persons who talk through actions are C. Both deaf and dumb. 2. In blank, the hands and face are used to convey feelings. Dancing or dancing. 3. Deaf and dumb persons understand what another person is saying by D. Studying their lip movements. 4. If a child's favorite toy has fallen down and broken, he will be C. Sad. 5. Deaf and dumb children are taught blank in schools. Sign language. B. Answer is sign language. इशारों की भाषा. True false. 1. Children who are 6 months old express themselves by crying. True. 2. A child who is afraid of dogs will be excited on seeing a big dog. False. 3. In schools, we can learn many things from each other. True. 4. Julie's little sister was born just yesterday. She is very angry. False. 5. My deaf sister will never be able to sing well because she cannot hear the tune. So true. This is 5 number. Question number 5 is, this is 5 is true. Blanks. blanks. 1. Most of us can hear and speak. 2. All of us cannot do everything well. 3. Small children tell a lot through their face and hands before they learn to speak. 4. In dance, the feelings are conveyed through mudras and bhavs. 5. Yamini's mother is angry with her because she broke the bottle of pickle. Matches: Aftab, sad; Julie, excited; Rehana, afraid; Yamini's mother, angry. These are symbols. Match the picture of C's in column 1 with what they are feeling in column 2 by drawing lines. Column 1, what is picture says? Picture 1, surprised. Picture 2, sad. Picture 3, afraid. Picture 4, happy. Picture 5, excited. Picture 6, confused. So, from this we can see flying high. Question 1. The blank has a pink beak and grey feathers. D. Pigeon. 2. The blank eats dead animals. C. Vulture. 3. The eagle has a blank tail. C. Long and grooved. 4. The blank makes a kuhu kuhu sound. Cuckoo. B. Cuckoo. 5. The color of the parrot's beak is a red. True, false. 1. The feathers of birds help them to fly faster. False. 2. Some birds also eat fish as part of their food. True. The owl sleeps at night. False. 4. The manna moves its head back and forth with a jerk. True. 5. The crow can copy people's voices. False. Fill in the blanks. 1. The woodpecker eats insects hidden in tree trunks. 2. The pigeon says "Guttergoo all day." Guttergoo all day. 3. The blank dances the best of all the birds. Peacock. 4. The cock has a blank colored crest. Red. 5. The parrot has a curved beak. Matches. Tailor bird uses its beak like a needle. Crow does cow throughout the day. Parrot eats fruits and chilies. Peacock starts crying aloud before rain starts. Vulture flies very high in the sky. Here is birds. You can see this picture is peacock, eagle, parrot, tailor bird, crow, woodpecker, vulture, pigeon, owl, and cuckoo. You can see by pausing it. It's raining. Question answers. 1. Apu drank blank till he was happy. C. Water. 2. In the poem Clouds, the clouds are described as looking like D. A pair of swans. 3. This poem says that the clouds sometimes stay, answer A, for weeks. 4. From where did Apu get water in his trunk? B. From the river. 5. When hail falls on glass, it makes a sound like C. Ringing chimes. True, false. 1. Apu likes mangoes. False. 2. Apu poured water on the banana tree with his trunk. True. 3. Banana trees need water to grow properly. True. 5. We sometimes see a rainbow after it rains. True. 5. Clouds can be grey, white, or black in color. True. Blanks. 1. Apu knew that the banana trees needed water because they were drooping. 2. Apu gets ripe and tasty bananas from the banana trees. 3. Apu bathed his body by pouring winter water on it by using his trunk. 4. Plants need water for living. 5. When it rains, plants get a new look. This is match. Apu looking at drooping banana trees. Apu bathing. Apu watering the banana trees. Here is match. Apu's trunk stores water. Banana trees give bananas. Clouds sometimes come and go very quickly. Paper boat floats on water. And this is chapter 10. What is cooking? Chapter 1. Question 1. 1. A chapati is made out of C. Flour. 2. A blank is eaten raw. It is not cooked. Salad. 3. Blank is a liquid cooking fuel. B. Kerosene. 4. Which of these cooking fuels is most environment friendly? Sunlight. 5. Cakes are baked in an oven. True, false? 1. All food can be cooked in a pressure cooker. False. 2. All utensils are made of aluminium. False. 3. Making lemon water requires sugar. True. 4. For making chapatis, we must knead the dough. True. Fill in the blanks. 1. The first step in making a delicious snack with mung seeds is soaking the seeds overnight in water. 2. A chapati is cooked in 4 stages, and the first stage is taking out flour in a utensil. 3. Onion is a vegetable which can be eaten both raw and cooked. 4. Puris are made by frying them in a karahi. 5. Blank are used for cooking utensils. This is kerosene oil, gas, cow dung cakes and wood, electricity, coal, sunlight, matching, baking bread, boiling tomato soup, frying samosa, roasting chapati, steaming idli. So, this is the end of this video. Goodbye.